Today I'm going to give you an answer for a question, and the question is, what was the name of the popular synthetic fabric that replaced silk? Well, now I'll give you the answer for the question, and the correct answer for the question is rayon. So that is the answer for the question, rayon. That's the answer. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel and click like button, and if you don't like this video too much, you can click on this dislike button. And if you want to share this video with your friends by using any social media, you can click the share button and you can share it to any social media that you want, like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and many other social media. And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one, and you can get more options by clicking these three dots. And don't forget to comment on this video. That's a very important part of helping this channel to grow. Well, that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.